My name is Damian Castillo, and I'm the CAD and Administration Manager for Hensley Industries. We're a subsidiary of Komatsu Corporation, and we're based out of Dallas, Texas. We were running Wildfire 5, and we moved to Creo 1.0 after evaluating it and realizing that at the 1.0 state of the software, we saw that there was a lot of productivity to be gained. And the biggest driving factor for us was the user interface and the ease of use. I ran some tests with some users in-house before we made the switch, and everybody believed it was more productive for us to use, and it's been accepted with great praise. I think in Creo 1.0, everything is where you expect it to be. Whenever you're creating features, a lot of the dialog boxes are removed, so it gets you right into what you're wanting to do. But the biggest benefit in the flow is the UI, the user interface. Everything is in the same area. When you transition from doing one type of feature or drawing or sketching mode, it is very, the flow is just almost seamless. So you stay focused on the model and what you're trying to accomplish and not battling icons or looking all over the UI to find the commands you're looking for. To get our users up to speed using Creo, I created a 5-minute video introducing the user interface. We use Microsoft Office products which already have the ribbon interface, so that was nothing new to them. But the biggest training tool that we use is the search command. That allowed all our users to quickly find what they were looking for in the new UI if they were having challenges, and it would not only show them where it is, it would teach them where it is, but they can also launch the command directly from the search command function. So the training was basically none. We simply did a 5-minute video so they understand what the UI will look like, and then we just launched it, and they were up and running very quickly. One of the things they claimed is that it improved their ability to create assemblies by 50%. I think a lot of it had to do with the automatic constraints were just seemed a lot smarter and a lot easier in Creo versus Wildfire 5. But also there's a 3D orb in the assembly that gives you visual feedback. So as you start adding constraints, you understand what constraints you're missing, and just the ability to move components within the UI much simpler than before allowed them to be much more productive in assembly. So one of the biggest increases we saw was in assembly mode. I'm currently testing Creo 2.0. There's going to be no training transition between 1 and 2, other than just updating the users on some of the new functionality in Creo 2.0, such as the new sectioning, dynamic sectioning in 2.0 is far superior to anything in Creo 1.0. So very quickly I saw a lot of advantages moving from Creo 1.0 to 2.0, or I should say a lot of added content, a lot of improvements beyond any other release jump. Between Wildfire 3 and 4 and 4 and 5, there were some enhancements, but just between 1 and 2 on Creo, I saw some major improvements that we're excited to start using.